Bob blwyddyn mae band Cymru yn arwain yr yrymdaith i'r maen, a bob blwyddyn mae Adam Phillips ei sylfaenydd yn dod lan ac yn rannu farnau ynglyn â'r hyn sydd wedi digwydd yn y flwyddyn sydd wedi bod. Ac Eleni, rwy'n falch i ddweud yn y fideo yma, dyn ni'n clywed ganddo fe. Every year the Cambria band lead the procession to the memorial, and every year their founder Adam Phillips comes and shares his views on what has happened over the previous year and the way forward for Wales. And I'm glad to say that once again this year we have Adam contributing via video.
Hello, sy'n. Adam Phillips, Adam Bachter, as I'm known on social media, from Cambria Band, Yes Cymru, Lindsay Garner o Band Cambria, Yes Cymru hefyd. First of all, very sad. Mae'n trist iawn bod ni ddim yn fedru bod yn Cilmeri. Very sad we can't be there. But it's a good job that we're not going, because it would give the unionists a chance to have a go at us and say that people in Wales can't obey the rules. So, apart from COVID, which has been very negative in Wales, I think we've had quite a good year. It's been a positive year for Wales. It's been put on the map by the Welsh football team winning the Nations Cup of the Nations League, winning our group and being promoted to Group A. Also, in Wrexham Football Club, it's been bought by 2 Hollywood superstars. Now that's put the profile of North Wales, Wales itself and Wrexham on the map. And they will do a lot. There will be a Netflix documentary on the whole thing. I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here, has put Wales on the map. Also, whether you like it or loathe it, it's been great. It's put the Wales on the map. The theme has been Wales. They've done a really good job and it's been mainly positive. What else? This weekend, Elfyn Evans, when you're watching this, it'll be the weekend before. You'll already know. Where is Elfyn Evans world champ? So he's putting us on the map even more with the World Rally Championships. So they're all positive things. On the negative side, the unionists are reacting very heavily, very strongly to the success of Yes Cymru. Now, Yes Cymru have got the independence question firmly on the table, and the unionists are not liking it. So someone is throwing a lot of dark money at the Abolish the Welsh Assembly Party. It's very, they've got an advertising campaign, they're out leafleting, so someone's paying for all that. So, you've got to watch out for that. Don't react to it on social media, but again, ask people, why do they support these people? If they talk to you about it, just say, well, why do you support them? And then talk to them around, what is a nation without its own governance? That is a simple question. Why wouldn't we want our own governance? Anyway, that's me rambling on enough. Then I'm mynd i dweud yma hyd, we're going to give you yma hyd, first verse and chorus, and then I'll finish my talk. Yeah, rolls, 1, 2. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. Another thing the band have been doing, because of the negativity of COVID and their businesses, we've been trying to help sponsor some local businesses by basically promoting them wherever we can, free of charge. So all our drums will have a rotation of different skins from different businesses. Anyone that asks, really. So if you know about someone that's struggling, give us a shout and we'll put their name of their business on a drum skin. Right, diolch yn fawr iawn. Nadolig llawn I phawb. Happy Christmas, and we'll see you either in the Hope event on Dewi Sant. Reis, diolch fawr.
Ond mae'n cyffad rithwyr ni yn dechrau dod i ben nawr. A diolch i Josh Fulcher am ddanfon fideo ato ni gyda Elizabeth Evans yn canu, sydd yn dangos hen arfer sydd gyda ni yng Nghilmeri o osod torchau. Torchau o eiddew, o eifi, o blegyd dyna beth arroddwyd ar ben Llywelyn ap Gruffydd gan ddynion Edward y Cynta yn ôl y sôn, mwyn ei ddirmygu fe. Well, we're coming to an end, and we finish now with a video which Josh Fulcher has sent us with Elizabeth Evans singing, and it shows one of the things that we do in Cilmeri every year. We lay wreaths of ivy to remember the crown of ivy which was put on Llywelyn's head by Edward's men, as a gesture of contempt. However, we now use that ivy leaf to remember Llywelyn ap Gruffydd, and they're doing this in the remains of the Abbey in Margam. So we hope to see you next year at Cilmeri. Yn ni'n gobeithio eich gweld chi yng Nghilmeri y flwyddyn nesaf lle dylen ni fod. Ond cofio nawr, Llywelyn a'i ddilynwyr a phawb sydd wedi ymladd i gadw fflam Cymreictod yng dros y blynyddoedd. We remember now Llywelyn, his followers and all who have fought to keep the flame of Welshness alive over the centuries.
Here